Hey guys, it's your boy Michael with the H&M Reloaded channel. And I've been getting a lot of questions and comments in regards to the swinging refrigerator door fix. And I know these are magnetic on the back of here, but unfortunately, when I purchased these, I did not realize they were magnetic. It doesn't really matter though, because when these get stuck on the refrigerator door on the inside, you just put a couple of drops of crazy glue on the corners here and the middle, okay, and just stick it in. These carabiners, the swivel carabiners, see how they swivel and everything? They come with the swivel, the carabiner. So what you do is you take the carabiner off, okay, and it would look just like this. Here's one of the swivels right there, see it? Okay. And as you notice, these turn, see? It turns. They are magnetic. I know this is plastic and it's not magnetic. However, if you hook up one of these, to the plastic, it will stick just fine. I'm going to stick this back on later after we're done and show you how it's done again. All right, this is going to be all the stuff we're going to need. Okay. Okay. Now, what I purchased this set of 24. Okay, I purchased these. It's an assortment of the bungee cords, okay? Because it's very hard to get a real thin, small one. This is the ideal one you're gonna need, okay? It does come like this. It comes like this, but we're gonna need it to be like this size here, see it? So, let's put everything aside for a second, okay? Okay, okay, it comes like this, like I said, but we're going to need it to be that size, because the less slack the better. The less slack the better, okay? So we're going to have it look like this. So what you would do is, you know, just kind of measure it up a bit, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut. So right about here, just, you know, line them up a little bit, you know, on here, and and you always got to keep room for the knot. Okay, so there we go. I cut it off, see? I cut off that little piece there, okay? And also, do you see this little metal crimping? Oh, this little metal crimp area? See the metal? Well, that crimps the rope closed, so it can't escape through this hole, you know, when it's in. So we're going to take that off, and I already took it off of the last one, so it's going to look like this. See the little metal? Okay, so what we are going to do is we're going to take the old clip off, okay? The old clip comes off of the cut one, see? Okay. Now, this is the ideal one again, okay? This is the ideal one. Now we're making this one. So what you do is you're going to put the hook back on here before you make the knot, before, okay? See how it goes right back through the hole? See the hole? Right back in, okay? Perfect. Now, you make a nice, well, you don't have to make a knot. I made a knot, but you could just fold this over like that. You could fold it over like this. Now what you could do is you could take this little metal crimping, see it? Now, let's see if I can see the metal crimp, see it? Now you can get it through here and squeeze it shut. Now I'm gonna put this on. See how it looks now? See? See, I didn't squeeze it yet, but look, that's how it's going to look. See it? See it? That's how it's going to look. See how it is like that? Now you squeeze it closed. You crimp it closed. I crimped it so I squished it. Okay, hang on. See how it is? I squished it. See it? And that's okay. But what I'm going to do is, just to clean it up, I'm going to just cut some of this the fray off, you know, the fray? Okay. All right. Now this is basically, this is how it came from the factory, like this. This is from the factory. And this is mine. See? This is mine right here. I'm making the custom one. See it? This is the one that came with, you know, this is the one that came from the factory, and you can tell they look pretty good. Mine I really squeezed in because I don't want this coming off. So now, you see how this is? Now we're going to slide the hook in Hang on a second. And see, guys, now I slid the hook in there. See, now this whole idea is, see, this whole metal crimping thing, the whole idea is so this won't come undone. See, when it's in there now it's in there. It's not coming out. See, it's not. If you would have a knot there instead, there's a chance this could come right off. Okay, so yeah, there you go. Okay, guys, look at that. Okay, so that's how you put the swivel on. And if you look over here, we have one on this side. You're going to have one on this side so you can put the bungee cord and hook it up from there to there. See it down there? Okay. Now, there we go. We're going to hook up the one end. See the hook? Into there. See how it turns? See? Now you're going to put the other half into this carabiner like I showed you before. See? See it? Okay. And like I said, you can close. You could take a wrench or you could take pliers, squeeze it closed a little bit so it can't come undone. And there. Now, okay, open her up all the way. See? See it? That's how it works, like that. See that? Isn't that cool? You open it up, stretches, close. Basically how it's done. See that? Pretty neat, I think, you know? See? Open her up. Yep. It's pretty cool. Open her up again. And the door closes by itself. Yeah, so now instead of the door whacking it in the back and hitting the, you know. See? Pretty cool. I want to show you the top of the fridge because someone's going to say, oh, there's somebody probably on the top of the fridge. No strings, except the bungee cord inside, but there's no strings pulling it closed. Yeah, guys, how about that? That's just one way to get around that pesky swinging refrigerator door fix. Pretty cool. All right, there you go. And one more time. Now watch, watch, watch. Keep it all the way open and then, whoop. See that? That's it. And that's just one way to get around the swinging refrigerator door. That's one way to get around it. It's a shame that, like I said a long time ago, well, about 2 years ago when we first purchased this refrigerator, you know, I was experiencing that swinging refrigerator door, you know, whacking into the wall. Like I said, I called the manufacturer and they gave me this big runaround. I said, guys, for a $2,000 refrigerator, or almost $2,000 refrigerator, wouldn't you think the door shouldn't be swinging open and whacking whatever behind it at an uncontrollable speed? Well, you know, take the stuff that weighs a lot off the door. I said, I know, it's common sense. That's science. I know. It's making it swing faster. But I said, there is nothing on the door. Nothing. I took everything off the door, off the track. Well, not the track, but off the shelves there. And it was still swinging open, you know. And they said, well, unfortunately, that's just how it is. And I'm like, that's your answer? That's just how it is? I'm like, how come all refrigerators aren't like that? You know, and then, of course, people are saying that there's this, you know, up here. See, right up, where's it? Up in this area here, there's, let me see if I can show you guys. Up here, that little area there, there's supposed to be some kind of, well, there can be some kind of a, you know, something to prevent this door from opening all the way and smacking the wall. There should be, but makes too much sense, I guess. On most refrigerators, there is something, but I guess when you buy the cheaper $2,000 refrigerators, I wanted to show you guys step by step how to eliminate the pesky swinging door, you know? So this is just one fix, you know, and yeah, like I said, it's not a permanent fix. You can make it a permanent fix if you like, if the bungee cord doesn't bother you, because like I said, you put it in the corner of the fridge, you really can't see it unless you're looking at it, like really, like unless you're on the bottom of the fridge looking in the corner of your fridge, yeah, then you'll see it, but when you're opening it up, you can't see it. So, I mean, I've had a good 15,000 views on my refrigerator swinging door fix, and there's a handful of people who are, you know, oh, why do that? Well, you know, why, like, do it right. I'm like, what do you mean do it right? There is no right way to do it. That's the problem. You know, if there was a right way, I think the manufacturer would have put something in the door somewhere so it wouldn't happen. This is just to get around it. People aren't understanding. This is a method to get around that pesky door fix, you know? the swinging door. And then somebody else said, well, why in the world would you show somebody a magnetic swivel when you know the inside of the refrigerator is plastic? How would that stick to plastic? I'm like, that's not the point. The point is, regardless if this was magnetic or plastic on the back of here, when you put crazy glue on here, it's going to stick to the plastic if it's magnetic or plastic. So being magnetic is irrelevant. I mean, if the inside of the fridge was magnetic, yeah, this would work very well, like it does now. But I'm just saying, that's not why, when I first purchased these, I did not know these were magnetic, okay? Because I didn't read too much into the description, which it didn't matter anyway, because like I said, you put some crazy glue on and stick it on the inside like I showed you, it's going to stick for a long time, you know? So yeah, just wanted to show you guys. And that's it. You know, I'm just trying to save you guys some money. You know, that's what this whole channel's about, saving people money. Yeah, guys, this is your boy Michael with the H&M Reloaded channel. Guys, shake your neighbor's hand. The fighting in this world has got to stop. We don't need it no more. It's getting kind of old. All right? And again, happy Thanksgiving to you guys, because in 2 days, it's Thanksgiving. Be thankful. You got your family? You got your health? That should be all you need. Guys, this is Michael. Click that subscribe button. Click all. Click the bell icon first, then click all so you never miss an upcoming post or video of ours. And guys, click that thumbs up button. It goes a long, long way. It's going to help us out tremendously. We love you guys. Peace out.